Hi, it's me here at block 165A Teck Whye Crescent for Southwest Value Meals. I heard that there's a vending machine selling cheap food, first of its kind. The original vendor machine 0. Looks like the products are pretty popular among the residents here. Let's see what's on the menu. Step 1. Select the item. Open Taste Asia app, press scan. Step 3. Scan the QR on the machine. Step 4. Select credit, press payment. Cashless. Step 5. Wait for item to dispense. And step 6. Take the item, heat up before eating. Pretty sure it's referring to the microwave machine over here. So what's on the menu? Failed to sync time, no network connection. Please connect your machine to network. My goodness! And even the community fridge is currently empty. So what to do? Shall we go for some real food instead? Let me bring you around the neighborhood. Place looks like a convenience store. Well, unfortunately, it's closed at the moment. And remember, kids, jaywalk responsibly. I would like to say follow the yellow brick road, but that's gonna bring you on a wide detour. So why not just follow the yellow pillars instead? Stairs, barrier-free access. yellow pillars. You're still on the right track. And you should somehow find a pedestrian crossing. Just walk to the other side. And remember kids, jaywalk responsibly. In any case, Teck Shopping Centre, coffee shop. Look for whichever shop is not closed at the moment. Looks like not many stores are open right now, but things will be different during the daytime. And for more things to remain the same, there's a nearby fast food restaurant. Can you guess the brand? Starts with a letter M. McDonald's. Well, it's true that if you stay at a block, you won't have to take much effort in order to get a quick meal. Definitely cheaper than what you are trying to have over here at a food court, coffee shop, restaurant. But don't delude yourself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Click the notification button to be informed of future content. And I hope you found this video to be satisfactory.